Alrighty, we're going to just get straight to the point. This is how you're going to be able to generate NSFW images and videos for your AI model for less than $30 a month. So again, no bullshit. I'm just going to be showing you how to do safer work and NSFW. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be able to show you because it's NSFW, goes across YouTube's guidelines, but here's the website right here. Just go ahead and look it up. There's a $30 a month subscription that you're going to be able to generate videos and images. The only thing that I want to clarify and let you guys know is that you're not going to be able to put your model's face on it. So you'll need to use a face swapper. Now, any face swapper works. However, what I would suggest you do if you do not already have a model is you go ahead and you create your model using Sugar Lab, right? And then you put your Sugar Lab's model, put her with clothes on, obviously, so that way you can go over to Higgsfield and create a Soul 2.0 character, which is going to be able to generate as many safer work image generation as you want. And again, like the plan's like $30 over here. So this whole setup probably costs less than $60. If you don't have $60, you shouldn't be doing this in the first place. This is for all the brokies that, want to just be able to get started with AI OFM quickly. And then obviously later on in your career, you're going to transition into hybrid model, which is going to be picking up some real models, whether that's through a marketplace or doing outreach or just being a pimp IRL, whatever it is. Now, what I really wanted to show the boys for this video is the N.B.K group over on Telegram. Now, I'm going to be plugging this group a hell of a lot more now because we've built up a solid foundation of people and there's a bunch of killers in there across the world, Australia, USA, New Zealand, Bali, all the Asian countries and whatnot. So if you're looking for a pack, if you're looking for natural born killers, and you are one, because I will vet you, I'm not just going to let you into the group willy-nilly, like if you're some fucking nerd or some shit. I'm going to vet you. I'm going to see how long you've been doing it for, why are you doing AI OFM, why are you doing real OFM, whatever. I'm going to see what type of person you are and see if you can actually contribute to the group. Even if that's just the mentality side. If you're going to be active every single day, you're going to be cheering on, you're going to be sharing source, sharing what you're learning, karma's going to come back and it's going to feed you twice as hard. So if you're sharing what you're learning, you're sharing how you're making money, and the other boys are too, well, I guess we all make money together. So if you're a natural born killer, I'm going to suggest that you go ahead and message me on Telegram. I'll vet you, and it's completely free. Besides the vetting process, when I vet you, I'm obviously going to be asking you a few questions, but you're not going to have to spend money. Now, it'd be pretty funny if I'm like, oh yeah, there's a $500 a month fee when I'm making a video for the brokies who are searching up how do I make NSFW image generation cheaply. Now, if you're on this video, you're obviously broke because you're looking at cheap NSFW images and how to make it. So if you want to make more money, then N.B.K is naturally the next step for you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and join fucking N.B.K.